I want to talk to you about this assignment here that says week 27 extension assignment, days 3 to 5. Where does my family keep recipes? This assignment can be completed either on day 3, day 4, or day 5. So this is an activity I want you to do at home. Now, let me just explain it a little bit. This is my family recipe book. For the last 18 years, I have written down every recipe that I love in this notebook. And only the best recipes make it into my notebook. It's actually just about full. I only have a couple pages left. This is where my family stores recipes. Some people keep recipes on little cards and keep them in a recipe box. How does your family store recipes? Maybe you use a binder. Maybe you just have a lot of cookbooks that are already published by other people. Or maybe your family handwrites recipes into a book like this. Your job this week is to find out where your family keeps recipes. If your family keeps recipes in a book or in a box full of cards or something like that you could write down the recipe and contribute it, I'd like you to copy down the recipe for zucchini bread and contribute it to your family recipe box. You might also write down the recipe for thunder cake and add that to your family recipes. If your family doesn't have a way of keeping recipes like this, maybe you want to start one. When you're done, I want you to write a few sentences on this paper telling me about where your family keeps recipes and which one is your favorite.